Hello students, welcome to another session. In today's session, let us solve some problems on Poisson distribution. We know Poisson distribution is having the parameter lambda. It is having only one parameter, that is lambda. So, this particular problem is of a different nature. Please observe the question here. The probability that a fuse manufactured by a firm found to be defective is 0.05. Okay, so they have given us the probability what of a fuse manufactured by a firm found to be defective is 0.05. Find the probability that a box containing 100 fuses have no defective fuse. Have no defective fuse. That's the first question. Second, among 500 such boxes, how many contain exactly 4 defective fuses? So, this question is of a different variety. Here 0.05 is the probability value, but for the Poisson distribution we will not be considering any probability of success value. So, what they have given here, they have given the probability of success value, that is a p value here they have given. Nothing but the question seems to us that it is fitting for a binomial distribution. Here they have given what is the probability of success of finding a defective fuse, that is p is 0.05, correct, and along with that they have also given us number of fuses in a box. So, a box contain how many fuses? 100 fuses. So, a box containing 100 fuses. So, we also know the n value. Since we know n value as well as the probability of success value, this particular problem it seems like it fits for a binomial distribution. Along with that, we have also been given that we need to check out among 500 such boxes, how many of them contain exactly 4 defective fuses. So, they have given us total number of boxes. Totally there are 500 boxes. Out of these 500 boxes, how many boxes will be having exactly 4 defective fuses? This is also we need to find out. So, let us solve this particular problem. So, first of all, we need to define few things here. So, what are the things that need to be defined here? First and foremost, what is the given data for this particular question? So, here given that, what is given? We know that there are totally how many boxes? 500 boxes. So, capital N is 500. Yes. Next, followed by this. Now, let us define the random variable x. What is random variable x here? X indicates number of defective fuses in a box. In one box, how many defective fuses are there? That is what x indicates. So, the x can take value 0, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be any number. It can take any value. But please notice here, any number aglik chance idea illi? No, any number agodilla. Here x he is behaving like a binomial distribution. Yake sir binomial distribution? The reason here is we know how many number of fuses are there in the box. In a box totally there are 50 fuses. Totally 50 fuses are there. So, we know n is equal to 50. Along with that, we also know what is the success of a fuse becoming defective. So, that is probability of success of becoming a fuse defective is 0.05. That is, we also know the p value, the parameter p value 0.05. Okay. By going through this, we have confirmed that x is a binomial distribution with n is equal to 50 and probability of success 0.05, which remains same for all the trials. But here, since n is large and probability of success, that is p value is small, the problem can be solved using Poisson distribution. Or else, since n is large and p is very small, the variate acts like a Poisson variate. Okay, so the random variable x is a Poisson variate. So if x is a Poisson variate, then Poisson variate will be having a parameter. What is that parameter? The parameter is lambda. Correct? What is lambda? We don't know. We need to find that lambda value. But we know what is n and p. According to the condition, only in few conditions binomial distribution can move towards Poisson distribution. What are the conditions? The first condition is n should be very large and p value should be small. The third condition is lambda is equivalent to n into p should be a finite number. Since we are not knowing, ನಮಗೆ lambda value ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು? n ಮತ್ತೆ p value ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು. So what is n value here? n value is 50 into what is the probability of success value? That is 0.05 ಬರ್ತದೆ. So if you multiply this, you will be getting the answer 5, which is a finite number. N is a finite, sorry, here lambda is a finite number. So now we have traced what is the lambda, the parameter lambda value for the Poisson distribution. I hope you have understood up till here. Next, now we need to write the PMF. The probability mass function is p of x is equal to e power minus lambda power x by x factorial, where x can take value 0, 1, 2, dash dash. Yes, because we don't know what is the x value. That's why last dot helidira. Next, this is a general form, but for our problem, the customized version is e power minus lambda. What is the lambda value? Lambda value is 5, followed by 5 to the power x by x factorial, where x can take value 0, 1, 2, dash dash. Okay. So in the beginning, we just refined the random variable. After defining, we thought that random variable is acting like a binomial variate, but later we came to know that n is very large and p is very small, so it is not a binomial variate, but it is a Poisson variate. Since it is a Poisson variate, first we found out what is the lambda value. Later, now we have come up with the probability mass function. Okay, next, now let us solve the first question. So what is the first question? I will read it once again. Find the probability that a box contain 100 fuses have no defective fuse. So a box is having how many fuses? A box is having totally 100 fuses. Out of these 100 fuses, I need to prove that what is the chance, what is the probability that there will be no defective fuse. I need to find this. Okay, so the first question, I need to find the probability of no defective fuse. That is probability of the random variable x taking the value 0. There is no defective fuse in a box. So that is e power minus 5 to the power 0 by 0 factorial. So we will be left with after simplification e to the power minus 5, as anything to the power 0 is 1 and 0 factorial is also 1. So, we will be left with only e to the power minus 5. If you go through the Poisson distribution table, e to the power minus 5 will be 0.0067. So, this is the answer. So, what is this? 0.0067 is the probability, is the chance that a box will not be having any defective fuse. 100 fuse ಇದೆ, 100 fuse ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೂಡ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಟು 0.0067. Okay, so first question solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Let us take up the second question. So what is the second question? Now they are saying that totally there are 500 such boxes. Out of those 500 boxes, how many number of box will be having at least, sorry not at least, 4 defective fuses, exactly 4 defective fuses ಎಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕೀಗ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ question for the probability of exactly 4 defective fuse or fuses. Directly we cannot find how many boxes will be having 4 defective fuses exactly out of 500 boxes. First let us find it out in one box. Later we can multiply it by 500. That is an easy option. So probability of exactly 4 anta helidare. So the random variable x will consider the value 4. That is e power minus lambda. What is the lambda value? Minus 5. 5 to the power, that is lambda to the power 4 by 4 factorial. That is e to the power minus 5 is nothing but 0.0067. E to the power minus 5 according to Poisson distribution table into 5 to the power 4. 5 to the power 4 is 625. That is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625 divided by 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Okay, 24. 4 factorial is 24. So if you simplify this, you will be getting the answer 0.1745. 0.1745 is the answer. So this is the answer for only one box having exactly 4 defective fuses. This is the probability of one box having only exactly 4 defective fuses. Therefore number of boxes having exactly 4 defective fuses is n into probability of x is equal to 4. That is n value is totally there are 500 boxes into what is the probability of a box having exactly 4 defective fuses, 0.1745. So if you multiply this, you'll be getting the answer as 87.25. 87.25, which can be approximated to ಯಾವುದು 87.25 ಅಂತ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. there will be no such boxes. either they can be 87 box or else 88 box ಇರ್ಬೋದು. let us approximate it. So it is totally there are 87 boxes out of 500 boxes. They will be having exactly 4 defective fuses.